Good morning everyone. In this video, we are going to study about the isomerism for the coordination compounds. When we will see the isomerism, there are two different type of the isomerism. The first one is called the stereoisomerism and second one is called the structural isomerism. So this is the first one, stereoisomerism, and second one is the structural isomerism. In the stereoisomerism, when you will see, it is two different type of isomerism. The first one is called the optical isomerism and second one is called the geometrical isomerism. As we have already studied about the optical isomerism में there is no any physical difference in between these of the compound. The only difference in between these two is the rotation of the light. The dextro and levo type of isomerism, the dextro one rotates the light in the clockwise direction and levo one rotates in the anti-clockwise direction. And when you will see the next one, this is the geometrical isomerism, that means there is a variation in the geometry only. So when you will see the optical isomerism, we are going to study about the DL isomerism, that the dextro and levo isomerism. But when you will see the geometrical isomerism, there are two type of the geometrical isomerism which we are going to discuss. That is, the first one is called cis-trans isomerism and the second one is the Fag-Mer isomerism. Fag means facial and Mer means meridional. तो यहाँ पे ये है Fag-Mer isomerism, facial meridional isomerism. और जब आप देखेंगे structural isomerism, then there are four different type of the structural isomerism. The first one is the linkage isomerism. The second one is the ionic isomerism. Third one is the coordinate isomerism or coordination isomerism, and the last one is the solvate isomerism. So we are going to start with the stereoisomerism, and in that one we are starting with the geometrical isomerism. Before starting, what symbols we are going to use here, that we are discussing here. We will use M for the central atom, A and B for ligand, and A dash A and B dash B for didentate ligands. So M for the central atom, A and B for the ligands, A dash A and B dash B for the didentate ligands. So we are going to start the geometrical isomerism, and we are going to start with the cis-trans isomerism. So which of the molecule is going to give the cis-trans isomerism? कौन कौन से molecules देंगे? The molecules having molecular formula Ma2B2, having molecular formula Ma2B4 or Ma4B2. The next one is Ma2B'D twice, यानी कि दो मोनोडेंटेड और दो डाइडेंटेड लिगेंड्स हो तो भी ये सिस-ट्रांस आइसोमेरिज्म दे सकता है. So we are starting with Ma2B2. This is the condition Ma2B2. So this is the A and the next A. You can see both the identical groups, that is both the identical ligands are on the adjacent position, एक दूसरे के अगल बगल हैं, and again the B is adjacent to each other. Then this condition is called the cis. When the identical groups are adjacent to each other, then it is called the cis-trans isomerism, and when they are away from each other, that is called the trans isomerism. Then this is the cis, and here we are going to see the trans. You can see this is the A, and the next A is just opposite to the first one. This is the trans position, and B again opposite to the B, again a trans position. So this one is the trans isomer, and the first one is the cis isomer. Now we are going to see a molecule having molecular formula Ma2B4. In this case, we see that the ligand having less number is either on the cis position or the trans position. According to that, we will say that whether it is cis or trans. तो यहाँ पे A2B4 में A2 की पोजीशन हम देखेंगे, B की पोजीशन नहीं देख सकते क्योंकि 4 B होने के बाद कहीं न कहीं से cis या कहीं न कहीं से ट्रांस दोनों ही दिखाई पड़ने लगता है. So this is the condition A and the next A. You can see both are adjacent, and if they are adjacent, it will be considered as a cis. बच्चों ये किसी भी पोजीशन पे आप B लगा लीजिए, no problem. So this one is the cis. But when A is just opposite to the next A, देखिए दोनों एक दूसरे के अपोजिट हैं. If this condition appears, this is called trans. So B, 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 and B. So this one is cis, and the next one is the trans. Cis trans isomerism in the case of Ma2B4. Now we are going to see the compound having molecular formula Ma2B-B twice. See here, if this is the A and again A on the adjacent position, and B-B is somewhere here, didentate ligand, so it will be binded from two different positions. So you can see that the A are adjacent to each other and B-B is adjacent to each other, and this condition is called the cis condition. But when you will see A is just opposite to A, then this is the B-B, B-B, and this condition is called the trans condition, away from each other. The A is away from next A, B-B is away from next B-B. So this is the trans condition and this one is the cis condition. Now we are going to see the next geometrical isomerism, that the Hack-Murr isomerism or the facial meridional isomerism. So in the Hack-Murr isomerism, what will be the molecular formula? It will be Ma3B3. And with this molecular formula, we are going to show the Hack-Murr isomerism. Only this molecular formula will show the Hack-Murr isomerism, that is the facial meridional isomerism. If the A, that is the identical groups, are adjacent to each other, just similar to that of the cis-trans isomerism, and B is adjacent to each other, then in this condition, the isomerism is called the Hack, or it is called facial. And in the case when they are not adjacent to each other, ड्रा करने के लिए आसान सा तरीका है कि किसी आइडेंटिकल ग्रुप को एक दूसरे के अपोजिट ड्रा कर दीजिए, और किसी को कहीं पे भी ड्रा करिए, सब अपने आप एडजेसेंट पोजीशन पे नहीं रख पाएंगे. यहाँ हो गया A, B, B and B, and this one is called the Murr, or you can say meridional. Then this is the meridional and this one is the facial. We say if you are drawing a triangle somewhere here at any of the point, you will not find any of the triangle having three identical points, that is the AAB. आप नहीं यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई कंडीशन पाएंगे जहाँ पर AAA या ABBB हो. तो यहाँ पे भी AAB, अगर यहाँ पर भी करेंगे तो ऐसी डिफरेंट ग्रुप मिलेंगे, और यहाँ पर भी, जैसे मैं यहाँ पर भी एक ड्रा करके आपको शो कर रहा हूँ. So the members are different. But when you will see the condition of the fact, the three members will be identical. You can see here, this is the condition. In this triangle, A, and again A. So all the points are identical. So when you will see the next one, this is the condition, and you will find again B, B and B. This condition is only possible in the case of the facial, not in the case of the meridional. So in the case of meridional, the three members will not be identical. Now we are going to see the optical isomerism. we also knew about the optical isomerism. Then what is the optical isomerism? Just we are going to see that which of the compound give the optical isomerism and how we draw the optical isomers of these of the compounds. So first of all, we can say that those of the compound containing didentate ligands show the optical isomerism. लेकिन सबके सब वो कंपाउंड जो कि डाइडेंटेड लिगेंड कैरी करते हैं वो ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म नहीं शो करते हैं. The first type of compound which show the optical isomerism having molecular formula MA-A prime, यानी कि तीन डाइडेंटेड लिगेंड्स होने पे ये ऑप्टिकल आइसोमेरिज्म्स शो करते हैं. This is the A-A, A-A and A-A. एक्चुअली ये मॉलिक्यूल एक 3D मॉलिक्यूल है जिसे मैंने 2D पे ड्रा किया हुआ है, जिसे हम 2D पे ड्रा करेंगे क्योंकि हमारे पास बोर्ड तो 2D ही अवेलेबल है, तो रियल इसका ये स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होता. सो देखने में ये प्लानर स्पेसिस लगता है, लगता नहीं कि ये कहीं से ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी शो कर सकता है, बट इट इज अ 3D मॉलिक्यूल एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द रीजन इट इज कैपेबल शो द ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी. इफ दिस इज द मिरर, देन व्हाट विल बी द मिरर इमेज? The mirror image will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 bonds. The first A' will make 2 bonds here. The next one will be here and the last one. This one is the dextro and this one is the levo. That means if this one is rotating the light clockwise in the clockwise direction, the next one will rotate the light in the anti-clockwise direction. For the plane polarized light we are talking. Then this is the compound which gives the optical isomerism. If any other compound also gives the optical isomerism, surely it is the molecule having molecular formula Ma2B' twice. But not all these of the molecules, only those of the molecules which have the cis configuration. Here we are seeing the Ma' twice B2 in the cis form only. The trans will not give the optical isomerism क्योंकि वो एक ज्योमेट्रिकल मॉलिक्यूल होता है और ज्योमेट्रिकल होने की वजह से वो लाइट को रोटेट करने के लिए कैपेबल नहीं होता. सो दिस इज द कंडीशन. द फर्स्ट वन, द cis one is showing the dextro rotation and the mirror image of this one, the flipped one, is showing the levo rotation. कुछ एक बुक्स में फिगर्स थोड़े से डिफरेंट दिए हुए हैं, उससे कुछ खास लेना देना नहीं है, बिकॉज इट इज अ 3D मॉलिक्यूल एंड वी आर एक्चुअली नॉट ड्राइंग द परफेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सिस्टम ऑन दिस 2D बोर्ड. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चरल आइसोमेरिज्म. देन द फर्स्ट आइसोमेरिज्म इज द लिंकेज आइसोमेरिज्म. व्हिच ऑफ द कंपाउंड शो द लिंकेज आइसोमेरिज्म? इट इज द compound containing the ambidentate ligands. And what are the ambidentate ligands in your syllabus? It is the cyanide having ambident isocyanide, thiocyanide having ambident isothiocyanide, nitrito, that is the NO2 having ambident ligand ONO. If any of these are here, then in that case you can say that they are capable to form the linkage isomerism. Only the ambidentate ligands containing compounds can show the isomerism. So if this is the compound K4FeCN6, this is the compound, and here you can see that the ambidentate ligands are also here. Then what will be the isomer? Any one of the cyanide will be replaced by the isocyanide, or all the 6 cyanide can also be replaced by the isocyanide. So the compound will be K4FeNC6. So the compound was potassium hexacyanoferrate second, and the isomer of this one is the potassium hexaisocyanopherrate second. Only the name is different with cyanohexoferrate and isocyanohexoferrate. Only this is the difference in between these two, and this is the ambidentate ligand which is changing, which is generating the linkage isomerism. The second one is the ionic isomerism. In the ionic isomerism, the system gives the different ions. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ स्पीसीज गिव द आयनिक आइसोमेरिज्म? सिर्फ वो स्पीसीज जिसके पास एनायनिक लिगेंड भी हो और एनायनिक काउंटर आयन भी हो, यानी दोनों ही एनायंस हो, तभी वो एक दूसरे को एक्सचेंज कर पाएंगे, अदरवाइज इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ द कंपाउंड इज CO NH3 pentais Cl SO4. What is the ion? The cation is CO NH3 pentais Cl plus 2 and SO4 2 negative. And the next one is CO NH3 pentais SO4 Cl. In the first case it is the sulfate ion, in the case 2 it is the chloride ion. क्वेश्चंस इस पे कुछ इस तरह से भी पूछे जा सकते हैं कि हाउ विल यू आइडेंटिफाई दैट दीज आर द आयोनिक आइसोमर्स. बगैर केमिकल टेस्ट के हम आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते. सो सिंपली यू कैन सी दैट दिस वन इज गिविंग द सल्फेट ऑन आयोनाइजेशन. You can write the testing of the sulfate. So when you will add barium chloride with this one having sulfate ion, that will react with this compound and will generate the barium sulfate, a white precipitate of the barium sulfate you can say. But when you will treat this one, because of the absence of the sulfate ion, it is not going to give the barium sulfate, a white precipitate. But when you will treat with the silver nitrate, this one is not going to react, but this one will react and form the silver chloride AgCl with the white precipitate. So you can identify with the help of the chemical reaction that they are the ionic isomers. Next structural isomerism is the coordination isomerism. Only those of the species having two coordinates gives the such type of isomerism. For example, if it is CONH3 hexyl and CrCN6, that is the hexaamine cobalt third hexacyanidochromate third. In these of the species, what happens in such type of isomerism, the ligand exchange their position, they change from one coordinate to the another coordinate. लिखने के लिए ज़्यादा आसान सा काम ये है कि आप इसके सेंट्रल एटम को इसमें और इसके सेंट्रल एटम को इसमें लिख दीजिए और कोई चेंज नहीं करिए, अदरवाइज चार्ज आपको देखना पड़ेगा, चार्ज के अकॉर्डिंग से चेंज करना पड़ेगा. सो इट इज द इजीएस्ट मेथड. नाउ इट विल बी CrNH3 hexyl and COCN6. So they are the coordination isomers of each other, and such type of isomerism is called the coordination isomerism. Now we are going to see the last one, that is the solvent isomerism. Which of the compound will give the solvent isomerism? Those are the compound which contains the water molecule. They are capable to give such type of isomerism. For example, if it is CuSO4.5H2O, that is the hydrated copper sulfate side. So actually the molecular formula is CuH2O tetrais SO4.H2O. That means these are the four water molecules are the coordinately bonded water molecules, and the remaining one is just holded in the crystal. So in the case of the solvent isomerism, some of the water molecule either enters inside the coordinate or comes out of the coordinates. So here in this case it is the COH2O thrice SO4.2H2O. That means one of the water molecule comes out of the coordinate. एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल अंदर से बाहर आ गया, and this is called the coordination isomerism. So these were the different type of the isomerism in the case of the coordination compound. In the next video we will see about the valence bond theory for the coordination compounds.